how to fix your browsing activity has been paused on Ticketmaster. So you'll usually get this error message when trying to use the Ticketmaster application, but you may also get this error on an internet browser as well. Now, to fix this, we need to go and open up the settings on your phone, turn on airplane mode, and wait around 5 to 10 seconds. Once 5 to 10 seconds have passed, go and turn off airplane mode. You then need to scroll down to General and click on this. Scroll all the way down to VPN and device management and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. So as you can see at the top of this window, it says not connected. You also want to make sure that if you do have any VPN profiles listed here, that you go and delete and remove them from your phone. Now, once you've done that, you can go and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then we can open back up the settings application. You can click on your profile name at the top of this screen, click on iCloud, and then scroll down to iCloud features and you'll see this option called private relay. Click on this and make sure the private relay is turned off and disabled, and click on turn off private replay. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to open up the Ticketmaster application and that should have now solved that issue.